got a demo tonight we're going to do for you, which might seem to you a little on the tiny size. But we got some pretty darn good little baby fountains here from Dominator. And you're going to see here, if I flip the box around a little bit, right? Dominator. So this is the happiness fountains, and they're 3 smaller fountains. They're little guys. Boop, 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 right? So we're going to go ahead and give these a little whirl tonight. I've been waiting to light these off. You have all the different little things down in here. Now, even though they're small, you still want to remember, light, fuse, and get away! All right. So we're going to go to the launch pad in just a little bit, and we're going to light these off. Safe and sane city, baby. And I'll tell you what, all Dominator Fireworks products are awesome. BBQ Rando approved. Yeah. All right, BBQ Rando's on the launch pad. And you can see here, I got these 3 little happiness Dominator fountains on the launch pad. And they're really too small for the scurvy dog. But I wanted to see here if I could possibly light them all at the same time with, yeah, and I know I don't have my torch. I hear that a lot from people. Get your torch. I'm like, yeah, I'm lazy. There we go. Let's try this. Maybe that'll work. I don't know. Let's see. Bend it that way. There we go. Try to get all 3. Oh, here we go. So let's see how it does here. Got him, got him! I did not expect that. They actually exploded up in the air a little bit. Sweet! You know what I say about Dominator Fireworks? BBQ!